Give Gabiana, Barangay Batasan Hill!
Gay in the Philippines. The color combination of blue and pink in the front represents a transgender flag associated with rhinestones, symbolizes the transformation of a transgender woman. At the back is the representation on the LGBTQIA+ community in commemoration with the QC Rainbow Queen 2024. This costume
given this platform, I will work tirelessly with Mayor Joy Belmonte, together with the Gender and Development Office of our city, to create more SOGI orientation and grassroots initiatives. I will lead conversation that do not just demand acceptance, but build understanding. And when we face hate, we will not retaliate it with hate. We will educate.
Lady. Lady ba yan?
very friendly nga, no? Very warm. We love the energy.
I love you!
Alright, congratulations. Our next special award.
Anong mensahe ang gusto mong iparating, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga hindi pa makapagsabi o makapag-express ng kanilang authentic identities?
Ladies and gentlemen, getting out of the shelf is very sensitive. And the first thing that we have to do is to respect those persons na hindi pa makapaglabas ng kanilang tunay kinakaanyuan. Ang tanging mensahe ko lang sa kanila ay huwag kang mahiya na maging totoo sa iyong sarili dahil walang mali sa pagiging ikaw. Hindi mo malalaman kung ano pa ang kaya mong gawin kung hindi ka magpapakatotoo sa sarili mo. Tandaan mo na ang pagpapakatotoo sa iyong sarili ay magbubukas ng mas maligaya at mas maluwag na oportunidad para sa ating kinabukasan. Maraming salamat po.
Batasan Hills! Congratulations! There you have it, our top 5 for the first ever Quezon City Rainbow Queen! Congratulations, and may I ask everybody to give a round of applause to all the ladies who did not make it to our grand finals. Thank you, ladies. Why do you think the passage of the SOGI SC Equality Bill in the Philippines important?
It is important, ladies and gentlemen, as what my advocacy says. I am an advocate for SOGI because if the SOGI bill will pass, all of us will have the freedom and the right to love to whoever we want and the freedom to choose what we want to be. Ladies and gentlemen, discrimination, stereotypes is not just experienced by the LGBT community. Kahit po ang lalaki at babae ay nakakaranas nito at panahon na po para i-break natin ang stigma dahil dapat tayo dito sa mundo ay pantay-pantay lamang. Maraming salamat po.
So, congratulations to Barangay Batasan Hills, our third. So at this point, may we request our 3 lovely candidates, our 3 remaining candidates to please step forward.